This year, a complete redesign of the 2023 Honda Accord is anticipated, and it will likely resemble the recently unveiled Honda Civic in terms of design. Therefore, the interior of the 2023 Honda Accord should also feature a honeycomb-patterned dashboard grille with a freestanding infotainment system in the middle. However, the powertrains are anticipated to remain the same as the current model. The starting price of the 2023 Honda Accord should be around $27,615. And the 2023 Toyota Camry is a stalwart of the midsize sedan market, which has been losing customers and new entrants as the world has embraced SUVs in recent years. Despite the shifting market, the Camry has maintained its dominance as the best-selling passenger car for the past 20 years, topping the sales charts. Major changes to the Toyota Camry for 2023 are only cosmetic and safety-related. The base trim has an MSRP of $27,040. Let's assume that you want to buy one of these two models, and after 5 years of use, you want to sell this sedan for the maximum benefit. Which model has a better resale value, 2023 Accord or Camry? Let's find out. It's the Lazy Rusher YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. To find out which large sedan has a better resale value, let's do some research. For this job, we will use the Car Edge website form. Let's start with the basic 2023 Honda Accord model. Select car make, Honda. Model, Accord. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the Accord LX is $27,615. Own it for 5 years. Annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. A Honda Accord will depreciate by 21% and have a resale value of $21,733 after 5 years. Your total cost of depreciation for this vehicle would be $5,882 if you intended to keep it for 5 years. Since it maintains its value over time, the Honda Accord has served as a bellwether vehicle for many years. Price increases over time have caused the new Accord to depreciate more quickly than it once did. The Accord is a great choice, though, if you're looking for a great used car that won't cause you issues down the road. Let's contrast this values with the new Camry. We go back to the comparison tool of the Car Edge website. Select car make, Toyota. Model, Camry. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the Camry's base trim is $27,040. Own it for 5 years. Annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. A Toyota Camry will lose 24% of its value over the course of 5 years and have a resale value of $20,491. Your total cost of depreciation for this vehicle would be $6,549 if you intended to keep it for 5 years. The Toyota Camry, which has consistently been among the best-selling vehicles in the nation, depreciates about in the middle of the pack. They are sturdy and dependable, but because there are so many of them available, prices are kept low. As a result of their popularity with rental companies, there is a good chance that if you purchase a used Camry, it was auctioned off when the rental company returned it. Although this isn't always a bad thing, ask your salesperson about the history of the rental car you're interested in. Rental cars can be driven rough and even be abused. So, a Honda Accord's resale value after 5 years will depreciate by 21%, and its resale value will be $21,733. Toyota Camry will lose a little more. It will depreciate by 24% and will keep its resale value on a $20,491 mark. If you like both these car models and want to make a smart purchase, you better pick Honda. The 2023 Accord will keep its value a bit better than Camry. Hope this video was useful for you. If so, please press the like button. You can also suggest others' vehicles to compare in the comments section.